every shot in the bottom beats. And now you fucking with the bottom beats. Fuck being broke, that's a pill you can swallow, bitch. I like living in the coop. Yeah, a lot of blunt smoke shit leaking out the roof. The streets is mine and feeding for the truth. My wrist been rocky, I'm a digging for the loot. 100 runners in the duffel bag. Grip on the lakefront, hit that make the monkeys mad. Belly got stretch marks and fall from a dummy bag. Home do broke talk, nigga kiss the monkey's ass. Yeah, I'ma get cash, nigga, call me Usain. The way I get cash, like I know your lane. Don't get mad, nigga, no road gang. I ball on the ass, nigga.
Hey!
Alright, thank y'all. Good night, God bless.
Damn, no.
We gotta do this one just to check it.
Can I just do one of my singles? Yeah.
We just
Yeah,
we
see how
gotta
they do
check that.
Sugawallz. This is the next,
It's the
Next track.
Just keep this push play.
this press play.
It's all on one track.
I ain't even
But she
get.
like she ready. She got ID.
Y'all done?
Yo,
She done. 6:15.
hey, fast forward to like 3:45.
Put it on, put it, yeah.
Okay, well don't worry about it. We good. Nah, it was
Nah, it's all on one track.
It's all one track. This a whole show. It's cool.
Okay. So y'all good for checking? Because it's 6:15 and the people gonna start coming in. I don't want them to hear y'all song.
Okay, we good.
Good.
Trina, you good, Trina?
Hey,
I'm
hey, 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 superstar. Y'all know who I am?
Yo, this the beginning of the show. Bone Thugs and Harmony, Hood Greed Entertainment, Sugawallz.
This is
we
a
got
sound check.
Mercedes in the building.
That's right, Urban
Good. Yeah, I
AZ,
know
shouts
what it
out
is.
Celebrity Theater. Oh,
Love that.
always hold me down.
What's happening?